CR10 3D printer 19.68 x 19.68 x 19.68 DIY desktop kit 0.1mm max 200mm S industrial grade PLA self-assembly LCD on offline FDM desktop DIY education artistic design blue. CR10's S5 print resolution, ±minus 0.1mm, it will be tested for 10 hours before shipment. Upgraded version with filament detector and dual Z-axis rods. Fast self-assembly, it just needs to install the Z-plane kit on the XY plane about 10 minutes, portable/simple and convenient. Product forming size, 500*500*500 mm. Metal plate, solid and durable/low resonance printing speed, normal, 80 mm per second, max 200 mm per second. High quality nozzle, avoid scalding injury/scratches electric shock. US stock. Fast shipping via DHL or FedEx which will take 2-5 working days to USA.